Excuse me, where is the nearest station?
Go straight and turn right.
Thank you. Excuse me, where is the library?
It is not far from here. Walk straight past the small park, turn right at the coffee shop. It has many bookshelves inside.
That's perfect, thank you.
Enjoy your study time.
Excuse me, where's the laundry shop?
Walk straight, then turn left. It is next to a coffee shop.
That's great, thanks. Excuse me, where is the trail?
Walk straight, cross the bridge, and turn left.
Great, thank you. I'm excited. Excuse me, where is the mall?
It is just down that street.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Excuse me, I am looking for a repair shop.
Right straight, it is next to the restaurant.
Great, thank you. I appreciate it. Excuse me, is the museum nearby?
Yes, walk straight, turn left at the fountain.
Perfect, thank you.
Enjoy your visit.
Excuse me, where is the post office?
Go straight to the light, then turn left. It's next to the coffee shop.
Thank you so much for your help. Excuse me, where is the pet shop?
It is just down the street. Walk straight past that small green next to the coffee shop. You will see pictures on the window.
That is great, thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Excuse me, we are looking for the playground.
Just walk straight for about 2 minutes.
Great, thank you so much for your help. You are very welcome. Have an amazing day. Excuse me, where's the pharmacy?
Go straight, then turn left. It is next to the store. It is store.
Perfect, thank you.
You are very welcome. Have a great day.
Excuse me, could you please help me? I'm looking for the river.
Of course. Walk straight along this small road. Then turn left and follow the path.
That sounds wonderful.
You're very welcome.
Thanks. Excuse me, I can't find this restaurant.
Walk straight and turn right at the corner. It is next to a coffee shop.
Great, thank you so much. Excuse me, where's the roundabout?
Go straight past that tall building. It has a large fountain.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Excuse me, where's the sports center?
Just walk straight down this street, past the park. You'll see the large building next to the court.
Perfect, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great workout.
Thanks, have a wonderful day. Excuse me, where's the soccer field?
Go straight, past the park, then turn right. It is behind the basketball court.
That's great, thank you. Good luck. Thanks a lot.
Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Walk straight down this street, right after the cafe.
Right after the cafe. Excuse me, where is the shopping center?
Go straight, turn left at the second light. It is right across from the clothing store.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Excuse me, where is the shoe store?
It is just around the corner next to the sports shop.
That's exactly what I needed.
Enjoy your shopping.
Perfect, thank you. Excuse me, where is the souvenir shop?
Walk straight, then turn left. It is by the fountain.
Perfect, I can't wait.
Enjoy your shopping.
Excuse me, where is the stadium?
Walk straight down this road.
That's great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the game.
Thanks, have a great day. Excuse me, where is the theater?
Just walk straight down this street.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the show tonight.
Excuse me, where's the tourist center?
Go straight to the square. It's by the fountain.
Perfect, thank you. Excuse me, I'm looking for the tax office. I need to submit some documents.
Go straight, it's beside the parking area.
Thank you, that really helps.
Excuse me, where's the pool? I'm trying to find it, but I don't know where it is.
Sure, it's not far. Walk straight, then turn right after the green park.
That's great, thank you.
Enjoy your swim today.
Thanks a lot.
Excuse me, where is the toy store?
Go straight and turn left at the corner.
Great, thank you.
You are welcome.